The multi-axis robotic scanner captures detailed 3D data, identifying potential microfractures and material fatigue in the fuselage.
The atomic lattice remains stable, but the erosion pattern here is unusual.
I agree. We should flag this for the SNECMA team immediately.
Here we see the Mirage 2000 rudder undergoing classification. The color coding reveals minor delamination previously invisible to the naked eye.
Okay, the structural components are routed to Process A. The avionics modules are confirmed for Process B. Initiate transfer sequence.
The automated riveting guns rapidly secure the high-strength rivets, transforming flat panels into complex, rigid frameworks with unmatched precision.
The robotic inspection ensures absolute geometric accuracy. Any deviation
down slowly, watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Copy that, all green.
Harness 7 is secured. Check the fuel pressure line.
Reading nominal. LEDs are green across the board.
Look at the reading here.
Consistent with the specifications, we are ready for the next phase.
The system flagged this composite fairing. Look at the data near the edge.
Ah, yes, a slight dimensional discrepancy there. We must address it now.
This marks the completion of Process A. The airframe now awaits the integration of its advanced avionics suite, the output of Process B.
The fitting is secured with the crimping tool.
And the torque wrench confirms the connection is to spec. Ready for the next section.
Thousands of meters of aerospace-grade wiring are meticulously bundled and systematically pulled through the internal conduits by skilled technicians.
Landing gear reports fully extended and locked.
Now cycling the flaps. Data looks stable.
Confirming power distribution is within tolerance.
Alignment check complete on the vertical stabilizer.
Confirmed. 0 deviation. Ready for the next sequence.
Processing, shaping, assembly, packaging, labeling, and cold or dry storage.
Temperature is holding steady at 45 degrees Celsius.
Good. Airflow readings are perfectly within tolerance for the Mirage component.
The Mirage 2000 airframe undergoes exhaustive optical inspection.
Here in the clean room, the advanced Mirage 2000 AF suite takes shape.
Fully tested and certified, the radar processor and mission computer units are loaded into shock-absorbing containers for secure transport. Forming the heart of the new Mirage 2000 avionics begins here. Automated systems precisely drill thousands of micro...
Target acquired. Missile launch successful.
Data confirms flawless integration, Captain.
The telemetry readings on the mission computer look good.
Cross-referencing with the radar output, data flow is seamless.
All stations, aircraft exiting Hangar Bay 3. Confirm clear path to runway. Roger that, tower. We are clear of the hangar and proceeding to the flight line. All green.
What is the status of the forward hydraulic bypass on panel 7?
Diagnostics show green across the board, Captain. We are fully mission capable. All systems check out, Captain. Hydraulics are nominal across the board.
Excellent. We are green for taxi.
A magnificent spectacle of modern engineering, the Mirage 2000 lifts off, showcasing the impressive performance of this fully modernized platform.
Mirage Flight 401, cleared to land runway 27. Welcome home.
Flawless execution. Congratulations, team. We did it.
The upgrades performed flawlessly, Sarah. She handles like a dream at high altitude.
Excellent news, Captain. The engine diagnostics look perfect, too.
We are proud to present the Modernized Mirage 2000, a symbol of our strategic partnership and advanced defense capabilities.
All systems green, weapons hot, ready for engine start. Copy, cleared for taxi and sequence.